All right, guys, so these are done and they look fantastic. We're going to go ahead and grab one of these. But, oh, man, it smells so good. All right, guys, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take the shrimp, got the bacon here, going to lay the bacon out, put the shrimp, we're going to roll it, turn it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and there you go. And those are going to be your shrimp bites. Go ahead and lay them on a pan like that. Get the rest of these done. Make sure you have your oven set for 425 degrees. We're cooking indoors today because it is really cold outside and I really don't feel like standing in front of the smoker. But do me a favor, don't run to the end, because after I get done wrapping all these up and putting them all together, I'm going to make a killer sauce to go with this. So don't skip to the end. Wait until the next part. All right, guys, so went ahead and wrapped the shrimp up in the bacon. I have here that Killer Bees honey chipotle powder. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle these, a little bit of that powder, just to give a little bit extra loving. Now, like I said, I got my oven set for 425 degrees, and these are going to bake in there for about 30 to 35 minutes. I'm looking to get them the bacon nice and crispy. And don't worry, guys, you're not going to dry out your shrimp, because it's going to be wrapped in that bacon fat. And oh, I'll tell you, that's a loving. All right. That's what they're going to look like. We're going to drop these in the oven. That one needs a little bit more loving on it. Drop these in the oven, and we'll come back in about 40 minutes, and we'll show you what they look like. All right, guys, remember that killer sauce I told you about? Well, here it goes. I'm going to take some of this honey sesame sauce. It only takes 3 ingredients. Yeah, that many. Go ahead and put that in there. I'll put the whole thing in there. Now, French's mustard. I'm not sponsored by them, but best mustard out there. And some more of that Killer Bees honey chipotle powder. Go ahead and put that in there. Give a little bit of extra heat. And what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this right through. Just like such. Finger test. Mmm. You taste the honey, sesame, then you taste the French's mustard, and then you taste that. And that is killer right there. And that's it, guys. That is all you need for that sauce. And that is a perfect dipping sauce for anything. You can put it on your fried chicken. You can put it on your bacon wrapped shrimp. Anything you want. This sauce will do it all. And it's only 3 ingredients. All right, guys. In a little while here, we're going to be pulling those bacon wrapped shrimp out. And we're going to be having a taste test and show you what they look like. But do me a favor. Before you do that, make sure you smash that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And do me a favor, check me out on Patreon. All right, guys, so we are halfway through. We're going to go ahead and flip these over now. Watch it, they're going to be a little hot. Go ahead and flip them right on over. But they are looking absolutely fantastic. I want to get a little bit of color on the other side here. My asbestos fingers are not that asbestos. Got them on that side. I'll go ahead and get that little, that powder, that chipotle powder. Get that chipotle powder and go ahead and just give a little dab on top. Little dab will do you. How they looking, Ma?
Delicious.
All right, we'll put these in the oven for another 15 minutes, and we'll get a brown on this side, and we'll be good to go. These look absolutely fantastic. Nice and crispy. They are super hot. I am not going to try to test one right now, but they're nice and crispy. Perfect as a little game day snack. All right, guys, we're going to let these cool off for a minute, and we'll have a taste test. I'm going to grab some pictures. But, if you can smell that and this sauce, that sauce is going to be fantastic with them. But like I said, we're going to let these... Yes, they are delicious. Mom's over here saying they're delicious smelling. But we're going to let these cool off for a minute. We're going to have a taste test, grab some pictures. But do me a favor, make sure you like, subscribe, and you share us with your friends. And please smash that like button. All right, guys, so these are done, and they look fantastic. We're going to go ahead and grab one of these. But, man, it smells so good. All right, got that dipping sauce there. Been there in that dipping sauce. Oh, yeah. That there is a touchdown. Field goal. Call it whatever you want to call it. I call them delicious. Guys, do me a favor. I appreciate every one of you. Love every one of you out there. Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that like button. And boys, that got a nice little kick in the back. Woo-hoo, yeah. Anyhow, till next time, God bless and happy eats.